In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Java to MySQL Server. I'll be using NetBeans and XAMPP for this tutorial. To connect Java to MySQL Server, you need to import the MySQL Java connector, which you can download from the Oracle website. So I already downloaded a copy in my computer. It is a jar file. And to get started, create a new Java project. So I choose Java with End, then Java application, click the next button, and provide a project name, for example, Java MySQL connection. So I'm not going to include the main class, but you can click this one if you want to include the main class in your project, and click the finish button and expand the Java MySQL connection project. Then right click in libraries, click the add a jar or folder, then look for your MySQL connector. Then I'm going to select this one, then click open. And we have now our MySQL connector, MySQL Java connector in our libraries. So I'm going to add a JFrame for this project. You can use the default, or you can also create a new package in your project, but I'm going to use the default for this tutorial. Right click, then I'm just going to add JFrame form. Then I'm going to name this as FRM DB Connect, and click the finish button. So we have here the form or the JFrame. So if we're going to run this program, so we have to, it will ask if we're going to select the main class, since I did not include the main class when I create the project. So I'm just going to click the OK button. So I have here the form, and I want to display this form at the center of the window. So to do that, right click on the form, then properties, click in the code tab, then click the generate center, then click close and run again. So we have here at the center. Okay. So click on the source, then first is import the Java SQL. So I'm going to import all of the libraries related to Java. I just use the asterisk, which means import all. Okay, then create a new connection, then con. So this is just the name of the variable. So you can name any name you want for your connection. Then I'm going to create a method, public void connect, and type in class that for name. So we're going to write here the MySQL driver. So com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver, semicolon at the end. Then click on this icon, then surround statement with try catch, and con equals to driver manager, then get connection string. So we have here JDBC JDBC colon MySQL colon double forward slash, then localhost, since I'm using the XAMPP, then the name of the database, which is in my case that is the school underscore DB, school underscore DB, then comma, and the user, which is the default root. I did not create a new user in my MySQL Server, and the password is empty, so I did not set a password for my MySQL Server. Okay, then add catch close. Okay, and I'm going to use the J option pane that show dialog, show message dialog. Then this and I'm just going to display a message connected to MySqL server. Okay. And to test the connection, I'm going to use a button. I'm going to set the text to connect to my SQL server. Oops. And change the variable name btn connect. You can do this or you just can leave the default name. Then right click events, then action perform. Then I'm going to call here the method that I created, which is the connect. Okay, then run the program and click the connect to MySQL server button. It is connected to MySQL server. I'm going to change some of the values here to try if I could still connect with the database. For example, for the user, I'm going to type in the admin, and for the password, I'm just going to type in any character. Then try again to run the program, click the connect to MySQL server button. So there are errors that displayed on the console. Access denied for user admin at localhost using password yes. So since my username is not admin and I didn't set a password for my MySQL server, so this error or errors have been displayed in the console. So I'm going to set again to root, then remove the password, and I'm going to run again the program, then click the connect to MySQL server. Okay, so connected to MySQL server. Thank you for watching and please consider subscribing, like and share this video and click the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new tutorial.